I'm Cleo I'm the owner of Fresh Laundries.
My name is Mary and I'm co-owner of Fresh Laundries.
We started this business during the pandemic because we see the opportunity when a laundromat business becomes an essential to the community. One of our core values is to serve our local businesses, and we are fortunate to serve the Travis Airways. They're one of our top commercial clients.
They deserve the best, so that's why we're here.
With our wash and fold and dry cleaning service, we offer our clients a best-in-class experience. The money that we make helps our team be intact, and it helps us to reach more people that needs our service. Without local businesses, I think life will be less vibrant and very less convenient. We're Fresh Laundries, and the buck stops here.